Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a brand new early airdrop, and the name of the project is the Invention Network. They already have 30k followers to build a strong community, and as for the funding, they have already raised 4 million, and the best part is their airdrop is confirmed, so don't miss this project. So what is the Invention Network? Their tagline is "We bet on you and we split the upside." In simple words, the Invention Network is a global online platform connecting inventors to collaborate, build projects and earn shared rewards. If you want more information, then you can visit their website. Before joining, first of all, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe and turn notifications on to get all airdrops and updates. Also, most importantly, don't forget to join our Telegram channel where I share all updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this website link. After coming to this page, first you need to click here on enter. Then you need to sign up. You can use your email or you can continue with the wallet. So I'd continue with wallet. Then choose any of these wallets, but I recommend using MetaMask. Then connect your wallet and confirm the request. And done, your account is created now. Next, here you need to choose your unique username. Then here you need to verify your email, so click on link your email, then enter your email and submit. Now it asks to verify, so check your email for the code, then copy the code and paste it here, and done. Next, click on collect rewards. Then you are ready to collect your rewards, so collect all rewards one by one. Then click on go to dashboard, and finally you land on the main page. So as you can see, I've just got 16 invent tokens for completing registration. Next, you need to click here on missions. Then here you will find lots of tasks which you need to complete one by one. For example, first you need to upload a profile picture. To upload your picture, click here on go there. Then choose your picture. Then continue and then upload. Wait a bit and done. Next, you need to add your bio. So again, click the task, then click on go there. Then write your bio here. Wait for it to complete. And done. Next, you need to connect your X account, so click on the task, then click on connect X, then authorize, and done. After connecting your X account, you can complete other tasks as well. For example, you can follow them, so click on follow, then follow their profile, then come back and click on verify, and done. In the same way, you can complete all of these tasks which are very easy to complete. Then here is the referral section. Here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to earn some extra points. In the leaderboard section, you will find the top rankers and your ranking. So you can join early and climb up the leaderboard to earn a bigger airdrop reward. Also, there is a competition section where you can participate in competition. So this is still early, so I'll give you all the updates for that. Make sure to join our Telegram channel. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then ask in the comments. And please like and share this video. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.